Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing some basic shadowing with graphite lead. Of course, we're going to be doing the traditional circular shape. This, I think, is the easiest for beginners because it requires little to no skill. There is my subject, a pink rubber ball. I should probably explain now that because of the lighting setup I have for my YouTube videos, this casts two shadows. If you normally only had one light, it would only cast one shadow. Now we'll start applying shadow to the actual object itself. As I explained earlier, there's one light to the right side of this, there's one above it, and there's one to the far below it. This means the left-hand side is darker because there's no actual light coming from the left side. Today I'll be using a Q-tip because it's a cheap alternative to tortillons. It also works just as well, although you have to replace it a little more frequently. It's not very bad for a budget tool. I'm adding some shadows around the edges to simulate depth. This is just the line that's on the rubber ball that I'm modeling with. This is the finished product. Now I will show you some other examples that I've done earlier in the year. These are done in a realistic style, which is not usually what I do, but for the depth I'd done it just a couple of months ago. I had one other example, but I was unable to find it. As a bonus and a thank you to my subscribers, I decided to do an extra shape. I would like to ask you now to please consider subscribing. I work very hard on all my videos, and if you haven't seen those, please go watch them. Although I didn't have an actual model for the cone, which I was unable to find one, or any other shapes, I did this from imagination, imagining that it was the same light sources. Therefore, it has the same shadowing effect of two shadows. Here I am doing some hatching on the cone. I'm blending it out to create any smooth edges, and all the harsh lines should be gone. Here's the final product to both drawings. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you soon.